Hey yo, hey, it is Sean, and as you can see, I got my Be Happy box. I thought I was the last one on the bandwagon, and I actually thought that they were sold out or that after a certain time they no longer had this box. And just on a random website search, which I've never really purchased anything off the Happy Planner website, it was there. It was there, and I'm excited. Now, I know there are a lot of unboxing videos out there, but I want to show off mine too. I'm super excited. So, if you haven't seen it and you want to see what's in my box, keep watching. Before we get started, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. And before you go, leave me a comment. Let me know you were here. I am going to open this with Am I cutting it in the right spot? Am I doing this right? There we go. I'm amped to see if I'm getting everything that I've been seeing people with, or if there's going to be something different. I got the paper. It is a little messed up. It's a little wrinkled, but I got the paper. I was nervous about that, and I've been hearing that people are laminating this paper, and I am definitely going to jump on the bandwagon because I love this paper, and I'm sorry if this is loud. And let's see. Seems like they kind of did not put it on tight. I guess so that we can pull it off, which is pretty cool of them. So actually, let me just fold this part back so that it doesn't re-stick. And yes, I am making y'all sit through I'm getting it. Yay. And I still have my heart. Alright, so I'll turn it this way really quick so we can read some of the things that's on there. It says, be you, not them. Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to become. Wake up and be her. So there's a lot of inspiration on this tissue paper that, sorry if I'm shaking the table, that I want to, oh, and it's 2 sheets. Yay. 2 sheets. I'm super excited. All right, guys. So on the top it says there's a bag. I'm assuming that this can be either a pen and pencil marker bag or it can be a makeup bag, but I'm going to use it for my pen and pencils. Make your dreams happen. Zipper pouch. And it has the Happy Planner on the back. That is cute. And then here's the beautiful card, the Happy Planner and Teresa Collins. It says, you are magic. Here's all the things you need to shine bright this year. All of the designs are exclusive to the Be Happy box. And then it lists what is inside the box. And then it wants us to share our happy, show us what you do with the Be Happy box, and then it gives you some hashtags to use so that you can be followed. Cute. Alright, so these are puffy stickers. And I know this because I used to collect stickers when I was younger, and we used to have puffy stickers. And they say girl with goals, boss babe, fabulous, mind over matter, dream big often, good vibes, some great inspirational stuff. And there's just one pack of these in the box. Then we have an envelope where you can either stash some stickers, stash some cash, and attach it to your happy planner. Very pretty. I'm loving these colors. And it can go right into your happy planner. This is what I have been waiting for. These are the stickers. And this one actually does not tell you how many stickers that are actually in the box. I mean, in the sticker book. Does it? No. And just look. These are beautiful. Goals, noted, love this, focus, to do. These are all stickers that I can use. And these are all stickers to encourage oneself, which is how I plan my planner or decorate my planner, is to encourage myself so that when I'm using it, I'm looking at some things that can encourage me throughout the week. I need another one of these books already. I need a couple of them. I really do. That goes with that. And then this is your Get It Done list, or our Get It Done list, where we're jotting down our goals of the week. And the only thing is, there's no side. You know how you have that? There's like no side thingamajigger, so you can put it into your happy planner. I may have to create one. I may have to use a piece of cardboard so I can create a side so that I can actually put it inside the inside my happy planner. Then that way I could just stick it right into it. But I love that concept. Then we have some washi. Oh, and I thought the washi was bigger than this. But it's cool. It's cute. These are cute. Be happy, be brave, be you, be bold. And then this bottom one says, I am enough, I am enough, I am enough. So there's 3 thin washi's. This is like the 1/4 inch washi. And there's 3 rows of that. And then we have, see, this is what I was talking about. The little side piece here. Where you have your daily today. Your daily today sheets where you're doing your hourly, what your main focus of the day is, what you're going to do, what you're grateful for. I love this. And then you can write some notes on the back. I super love these, and I hope they put these in the store where we can purchase, because I'm going to need a lot of these. I like this daily. And then we have the planner, Stay Focused and Extra Sparkly. And it has Teresa Collins' signature. And these are plastic rings on the side, plastic disc. And I already know I'm going to flip this inside out. I love this color here. And where's my knife? So we always have that greeting in the front of the card. And this one has Teresa and Stephanie. So it's showing that they are collabing on this. And then you have your card for ideas and inspirations, and where to follow the happy planner. And our first selection is Radiate Positivity. Are they all going to say that? And then you have your guided journal. I called it a planner, but it is a journal with the ability to plan. So it has what your goals for the week are, one area you would like to thrive in, little things that bring you joy, simple ways I could be kinder, intentions for the week. Then you could jot down some notes here, talk about how you're feeling. Each day looks like there's something different. So it's like the guided journals that Happy Planner just put out, but they are in the Teresa Collins color. Then we got some of the same thing. Oh, and you can write your gratitude at the bottom. So this is, you write your weeks down. So I'm going to assume that there are 4 weeks. And it's for 4 months. The secret to having it all is knowing you already do. So I'm sure each section is like for a month. And then it's on repeat. Am I missing? Yep, I'm missing one. This one says to be kind. And then this one, the last one, says never, never, never give up. This is some great inspiration. So I love it. I'm going to flip my cover though, because I am feeling that. I think it's a peach color. I'm feeling that peach. I'm feeling it. Then we have, and I think I forgot these were in here. These are some clear vinyl stickers. And this one says, I am enough. Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to become. Wake up and be her. And then it says, be you, not them. This sounds empty, and it is empty. So it's probably just a space holder. And then this one has something in it. I think this is a mug. Yes. That I'll be using right away. This is a reminder that you can handle whatever this week throws at you. And it's peach in color. So guys, something that I noticed after I was filming is that you are not to put this cup in the microwave. And I'm so glad that I actually flipped that over, because that would be one of the first things that I did. Back to our regularly scheduled video. I'll be using this right away. I don't know if I'm going to take it to work or just leave it here for my work. And then this is, I think, for space, right? And then it's the rest of the paper. So I want to take the paper out. And it's long sheets, so you could do quite a few things. You can do make a few things with that. So let me know what you guys think. Did any of you guys that are watching, did you purchase the Be Happy box for this month or this quarter? I want to take this out. I think it's great that they did a collab. I think it's awesome. Not a lot of women would have, women are so fearful to work together. Always in fear of being in competition. So I think this is actually great. I can't wait to use all of my goodies. You see, I'm just setting it up here. Alright guys, so that's it for my unboxing. I hope that you are able to get your own Happy Planner and Teresa Collins collab so that you can start focusing on yourself and practice self-care and self-awareness with these beautiful, beautiful products and colors from the team. Don't forget to follow, to like, and subscribe at this channel to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. Bye now.